2 दिवसांचा कार्यक्रम जो आहे औद्योगिक सुरक्षितता, कामगारांचे आरोग्य आणि त्यांचे कल्याण या विषयांवर विचारमंथन करण्यासाठी एक उत्तम व्यासपीठ आहे आणि या माध्यमातून आज आपण आपले आयडियाज आपले एकमेकांशी शेअर करू शकणार आहे. आपल्या सर्वांना माहिती आहे की सध्या नवीनच नुकत्याच 4 कामगार संहिता आपल्या पूर्ण देशामध्ये केंद्र शासनाने लागू केल्या आहेत. या 4ही कामगार संहितांपैकी OSH कोड 2020 ही महत्त्वाची संहिता असून यामुळे देशातील कामगारांच्या सुरक्षितता, आरोग्य आणि कल्याणासाठी एक मजबूत आणि एकत्र संहिता उपलब्ध झाली.
I am proud to share that Goa has taken a big step last year with its first common hazardous waste TSDF at Bambolim, which generated around 45,000 metric tons of hazardous waste annually. And now we have the capacity to treat it safely in Goa for Goa. But waste is just one part. We must now look at prevention. The Factories Act and the new OSH Code 2020 gives us the framework. This Expo gives us the tools.
Following the success of last year's first edition, this is the second edition. Is a significant step forward in our journey towards making workplace safety healthier and most efficient. First, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for guiding, supporting and encouraging to organize this event. Today we are privileged to have among us is Akash Pudkar, Honorable Minister of Government of Maharashtra, along with our other distinguished guests. I also congratulate the Secretary of Factories and Boiler, Sri Sanju Gadkar, and Chief Inspector of Factories and Boiler, Sri Anand Pang, along with their entire team who successfully organized this important event.
So I represent the Safety Appliances Manufacturers Association. It is the association of manufacturers of safety appliances in India. We strive to create the best possible products that are needed by the workers. All our members, we provide a lot of knowledge, lot of support to the industry so that the best possible products can be provided to our workers. I also represent PSB Chamber of Commerce, where we have at the central level in Delhi, we have created a national task force for fire and safety industry. We have worked very closely with the central government to create the rules for this new labor code that is going to come into effect now.
Goa has a strong and diverse economic base with a significant presence in sectors such as mining, construction, industry, fishing, agriculture, tourism, etc. With tourism being one of the most and the largest contribution to the service sector. While industrial growth continues to strengthen our economy, it is equally important to ensure that safety, health and welfare and working conditions are maintained at the highest standards. These responsibilities are not limited to the manufacturing sector alone, but extends across various sectors, including construction, hospitality, healthcare, and other private and government establishments. The first Occupational Safety and Health Expo and Summit 2025 was a landmark initiative by the Inspectorate of Factories and Boilers and received an encouraging response from all stakeholders.
The Goa Human Resource Corporation, along with the BI, Welna Industrial State, the Hallis program conduct केलो, approximately 1,300 vacancies, and a huge response from the Goan youth आमच्या त्या कार्यक्रमांतल्यान मेळ्ळो. म्हाका खात्री आसा की we will convert the maximum गोंयकार तितून जॉइन जावपा खातीर आमी प्लॅन केला 2 किंवा 3 तारखेक तांकां ऑफर लेटर्स through the Goa Human Resource Corporationांतल्यान approximately 1,300 लेटर्स आम्ही पहिल्या फेजीत दितले. पण ह्याच पद्धतीचे कॉर्पोरेशन म्हाका सगळ्या इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी कडल्यान जाय. वी हॅव स्टार्टेड विथ द वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आणि ताच्या खातीर आमी तांकां लागपी एवरी सपोर्ट वी आर रेडी टू गिव. म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा तसो ट्रान्सपोर्ट सपोर्ट आसतलो कारण ऑलवेज वी हॅव सपोर्टेड फॉर द इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट इन द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर. आता तुमची वेळ आसा की तुम्ही गव्हर्मेंटाक सपोर्ट करपाचो, तुम्ही गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक सपोर्ट करपाचो. ओके, तुम्ही गोवा ह्युमन रिसोर्स कॉर्पोरेशनाक सपोर्ट करपाचो. म्हणून हे फर्स्ट इनिशिएटीव वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटाक घेतली. ताच्या बरोबर आशिल्ले ताचे सगळे मेंबर, नॉट ओन्ली द कल्पट बट ऑल द मेंबर्स, मोर दॅन द 25 कंपनीज हॅव पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस टेस्टाच्या आस्पोत. म्हणून पहिल्या फेजीत 1,300 लेटर्स आमी दितले आणि दर म्हयन्याक आमी जर एका इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीत अशा पद्धतीचे जर कॅम्प्स लावपाक शकले आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत आनी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट उरचो ना. म्हणून हांवें म्हटलें की दीस इज ऑल्सो द रायट प्लॅटफॉर्म फॉर मी टू कम्युनिकेट विथ यू पीपल. तुमचे सगळ्यांचे सहकार्य आसतलें हाची हांव अपेक्षा करता.